So,
Hi.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So finally, we are here.
Yeah,
I'm so
finally
sorry.
connected. Okay.
I made you wait, but I don't know. There was a technical glitch. I wasn't able to commence any of my class, so it took some time. But finally, I am able to connect
It's
with.
completely okay. It's completely okay. It's it's happened. Sometimes it's happened. We don't do intentionally, but the situation,
Yes,
we according to situation we do the things. But I think other person should understand the
yes, yes, yes.
situation.
It can
And
happen with
I
anyone.
yeah, it can happen with
Hmm.
anyone. It's not a big
Yes.
things. I can yeah.
Okay. So tell me, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing so great so far. Thank you for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, doing well. Little under the weather, just because of weather, because it's stormy and windy here. So due to dust particles, we all are having cough, cold, and
I also
throat. Hmm.
likewise. Last 15 days, I am really suffering from cold, cough, and still I
Hmm.
have sore throat. But then I thought let's connect
Yeah.
with Neha ma'am. I think I have been trying to reach out for a long time.
Actually, I have uninstalled Skype app, but
Okay.
then I started getting mails that people were still messaging me on Skype app. So I reinstalled it yesterday, and then I messaged you. But you know what? Before, I guess at 11, I had one interaction on Skype app, and I didn't get the recording.
I
I
also don't.
so it makes you feel so
Bad.
heartbreaking or heartbroken because after we put so much of our efforts in these kind of
Yeah. And we
conversations.
spend time.
Yes, it's all about investing your time, your energy, and as I just mentioned that I'm not feeling well. I have a runny nose, and to conduct these kind of sessions when you have a runny nose, it just becomes difficult because all the time I was sniffing. But yes,
Yeah.
I didn't get the recording, but I thought let's just have a conversation with Arshi. So tell me, how's life going on?
Yeah, life is going on good so far, and I don't have any complaint with life.
So how are you managing now? Because Skype has just left us. So how do you get your recordings and what is this all scenario?
Okay, so as I mentioned, the last 15 days I'm not
Hmm.
having conversation with anybody. So
Hmm.
I think I don't know about Skype what is happening these days.
Hmm.
But before yesterday, I think I have talked with two people, and after conversation I did not get any of video. So that time
Huh.
I really felt so
Hmm.
bad, and I really feel very heartbroken that. And then again next day I talked, someone messaged me in the let's talk on Skype, and I said that on Skype we don't get video. So
Hmm.
she said that I get the video.
Yes.
And if yeah, someone getting video but and someone not getting the video. Some people are getting video but some people are not getting the video.
Mhm.
And then yesterday I talked with her, and we get the video.
Okay.
We got
Yes.
the video.
Right. So the woman with whom I just had a conversation with, so she told me the same thing that she is still getting videos, but this one she also didn't get. But after my conversation, she had one more
Hmm.
interaction and she got that very video. So I think Skype has a problem with me only because I'm not getting any recordings on Skype app. So that's
I'm
why I
also
didn't.
not getting.
That's why I didn't take the risk to commence this session on Skype app. So better to because here I get the recordings on Zoom app. So here I get the
Yeah,
recording on my laptop, though the camera is not that much good, but yet something is better than nothing.
nothing. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. It's not about that camera. We have to talk, and that is the
That is the
utmost
main.
thing
Yes, yes.
we have to practice.
Right. I though I conduct sessions, I am in touch with this language, and these days I'm quite occupied with my paid classes. I don't really have time to conduct these kind of sessions. Still, I was missing that I'm not
In the,
practicing. I'm not
Yeah.
messaging and I need to go for a video conversation. So that's why I sent a few people. I sent mails to few people, and now I'm planning to have sessions with them. So this is how I'm doing. And you tell how
Yeah.
everything. How's your kids and all?
No, I'm not married.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, you're not married yet. That's wonderful, actually. Because once you are married, you have to go for lot many responsibilities. That is
Yes, yes.
again a
I
beautiful
have
thing.
very less responsibilities and I don't need to do, so much work and I'm just free. So I can a
Okay.
session, I can talk with
Uh,
anybody. Not
so,
anytime, but yeah, I have some time.
so
And also I'm not working this year, so I have plenty of time. Last year I was working, but this year I'm not working.
yes,
This year I'm
remember.
looking for a job
You told me that you were working, as a teacher,
as a chemistry teacher. Yeah,
chemistry
I
teacher.
was working.
Yes, yes. I'm very forgetful
Yes.
actually. But
I'm also.
so let me ask about your parents. How your parents doing?
Yeah, my parents doing is very great.
Okay. So, if you
Yeah.
are if you are not married and if you live with your parents, I think things become little easy. Don't you
Yeah.
feel? No?
Of
Because,
course.
because I'm a homemaker, I'm a mother. I need to go for so many responsibilities. And now I'm just thinking about my lunch. I haven't prepared anything. So I am thinking, what can I just whip out? Because my son will be back from his school. So that's what's going on in my mind. And that's, I guess, every homemaker's everyday story, right?
Yeah, sometime I wonder and I surprised that how homemakers do so many things at the same time. How to manage all the things,
Yes.
uh, without worrying so much. They do very, I have seen so many women, they do very smoothly their daily task and they don't have any complaint. Uh, is Yeah, they do very
Because
smoothly.
now see, this is what our life goes around. Now homemaking,
Mm.
taking care of a family is all about us, right? And
Yes,
if we
yes.
don't have to do this, what else we can do? Okay,
Mm.
so this is
Yeah.
this is nothing. This is not anything that is being imposed on us. If you talk about myself, I love homemaking. I love taking care of my family members, and I love doing things for my son, for my husband, for my parents, my in-laws, right? But yes, sometimes you need a break. You
Mm.
need something to do for yourself, because if
For
you are
yourself.
just immersing yourself in these kind of things and you are not doing anything for you, you start feeling left out.
Or
Yes, you
monotonous,
start feeling left out or demotivated, right? So
demotivated.
this is crucial for each and every woman. Just do anything for you. If you feel happy, go for shopping. Go shopping, right? If you feel happy while like in doing anything, it may be gardening, it may be watching a movie, it may be listening to music, it may be shopping, it may be talking to your friends, and it may be upskilling yourself. So in my case,
Mm.
it's all about this language, to groom myself and to take my sessions, because I think this is the very way I am able to earn, and that's
Mm.
what
Yeah.
makes me feel happy.
Happy
Yes.
when you earn.
Huh.
Yeah, when you earn, it is,
Yes.
naturally you
Hmm.
feel happy. You feel happy.
Happy, yes, confident
Yeah.
enough, independent enough.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yes, and see, if we talk about these things, these difficulties are nothing but these are challenges in life, and challenges are inevitable. We can't skip challenges from our life, right? It's all about
No.
facing certain problems. Some problems are not that much hard, some are more hard. So we need to make a balance how to deal with everyday life situations and challenges, and we need to set priorities. That's what
Yeah.
can help us, right? If we are quite clear with our priorities, we can easily manage each and everything. That's what I do. Now I don't get bothered about my classes. If I am free, then it starts bothering me. What to do,
Yeah.
how to spend my
What to do?
time. So I love being busy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, when you are busy, when you are occupied, so that time you don't think too much
Hmm.
because you are busy and you are distracting your mind. When you are
Yes.
free, so that you think a lot. I do the same.
Yes.
Whenever I free, I think I am very overthinker person.
Same here.
Now I am trying to busy myself. I'm trying to busy myself, and I'm just trying to occupied with things that I cannot think too much.
Hmm. Yes, that's true. If it's there is a saying, no, an idle mind is a devil's workshop, right? In
Yeah,
Hindi we
yeah.
say खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर.
शैतान का घर.
An idle mind is a devil's workshop, and it is true. When you are
It
free,
is
you
true.
just and it's human tendency. We always think negative. It becomes difficult to think positive. So it happens with me, though I try to keep myself so positive. I if I feel that no, I am going to or I am getting attracted towards negativity, I just push myself, pull myself back, and I try to go for some meditation or I listen to music. But yes, it is literally hard to keep yourself motivated and positive
Good.
at the same time,
Positive.
right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you
Yeah.
how do you keep yourself motivated? Because there are times when we feel like giving up, or we procrastinate actually. Why to go for session? Let it be. I just want to take rest, or I want to watch something. So, what is your way of recharging yourself?
So, well, honestly speaking, uh, what things makes me demotivated, when I don't practice.
Hmm.
The if I don't practice one day, so that day, I can't sleep properly. I
Hmm.
can't, I will keep thinking, I
Hmm.
keep thinking why I did not practice, and I at that time I feel restless. I feel incomplete. So that is the and now I think that practice is at most it is imperative things for me, and if I don't do even a day, so that I feel demotivated, I feel
Hmm.
really frustrating, and I feel really disappointed. So that's why I just keep practicing. I
Hmm.
just try to keep practicing each and every single day. No,
That's
if I'm not able to talk on video call, so that time I go with the audio call.
okay. Fine.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
wonderful. So this shows your passion about learning this language,
Mm.
no?
Yes,
And
I
yes,
am very passionate.
yes, and you can see if you are not passionate about anything, you can't achieve that thing. To be very
Yeah,
honest,
of
no,
course.
we need to be
Yeah.
focused and passionate enough. Sometimes people demotivate us by saying, "What are you doing? Why you are behind this language? You know, just enjoy your life, just live your life." So they can't
And
understand.
we are enjoying. We are
Yes,
enjoying this
this is
way.
what
This
we
is
enjoy
our
actually.
way. Yeah.
And as you just mentioned, if you don't have any practice session, you feel demotivated. Same happens with me. If
Yes.
I don't have any
Yeah.
session, no, I feel like no, I'm lagging behind, right? And I'm not the all the words I'm learning, I'm not using because where to use those words? Hardly we speak
Yeah.
language at home with our kids or with
It,
our parents, right? So
mm,
this is the way or this is the platform where we can share our knowledge
we,
and we can learn
our
something new.
thoughts.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
uh, literally I'm really afraid of losing my fluency.
mm,
Because I only know how I get it,
yes.
how I got it. I only know, and
Mm,
how much efforts I put, how much time I know I spent
right.
for getting this kind of fluency. Now after
Mm,
reaching at this point, I can't even think to lose
yes.
this fluency. So that's why I try to motivate myself. Now
Mm,
you have to practice each and every single day. If you are not comfortable
mm.
talk on video call, so that time I can talk on audio call very easily.
Yes. So it's all about your, again, passion and consistency. Because
Yeah, I'm very
it's easy
consistent.
to come with excuses, right?
Yeah,
Yes. If
yeah.
you are determined enough, nothing can stop you. That's the beauty of achieving anything.
Achieving anything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right, right, right.
that's
Okay. But we need to find a way. If Skype is not working, someone just send me a app. It's Zoho. Zoho meeting. ZOHO. So I there is a boy on Skype app. So he messaged me, ma'am, you need to download this app. Maybe this is providing recordings for free. You can also download this. This is ZOHO, Zoho. Okay, so just try. I have installed it, but I haven't signed it now because I didn't get time, and I'm not like I don't know anything about this app. But
this
that
application.
boy, huh? I asked him, na, that are you getting recordings on Skype app? So he told me that, ma'am, download this very app. So maybe people are getting recordings here for free. So you can also try because
I'll
we need to find a way, no? Are you using your
we
laptop?
yes,
So there
I'm
is,
yeah,
so you know what can you do? Zoom provides us 40 minutes free recording only on laptop.
only on laptop. Yeah,
Yes.
I know. I
Okay,
know
you know
that.
that.
And
Are you
instantly
recording?
I know. Yeah.
Okay. Are you recording this session?
No, I saw that you have started to record, so that's why I did not record.
But how
We
will
we
you get
can
it?
both record.
I don't think so. It will be with me only because once it happened with me, I had a conversation with one YouTuber and she started recording. I thought I'll get it automatically, but I didn't get it, and I really don't know how to share because it saved. I get this recording on my laptop, but yes, I'll be asking my son. He knows how to share with anyone. So if it is means if it is easy, I'll be sharing the recording with you. Okay.
Yeah, I think I had conversation with 4 and 5 people
Huh.
on Zoom. So
Hmm.
they sent me link, and
Link.
I know then. Yeah, no, they sent me video, like they share with me.
Okay.
After they get the video, yeah, they
Huh.
got the video, and then I asked they share with me, so they very
Okay.
easily shared with
I'll
me,
ask my
and
son
then
because
I downloaded.
actually I don't really use my laptop, but yes, it's not. I am also naive in this thing because I'm not. I'm just. I take my sessions on my phone. I find it
Yeah,
convenient.
yeah,
Laptop to conduct sessions on laptop is a tedious task for me. And today he went to his school, so I was thinking I invited Arshi, but I was not aware whether I would be able to go for this all thing. But finally we have connected, so he knows how to make it a file.
share.
Yes, we need to convert it in a file and then we can share the link. This is the process. And we need to
Yeah,
make
this.
it a PDF file. Then we can share
Yeah,
the
yeah.
link with you. So he will do this after once he is back. I'll be sharing the recording with you. Or
Yeah.
on your
Okay.
end, whenever you have a conversation, just start recording on your end also because
Okay, and I thought, I knew that if you have started this video, I will not get at the end of the session. I will not get this video. Then I thought if I will record this video from my end, so because I was not, I am not aware that I can also record, that we
uh,
can both record this session. So
actually,
that's why I did not record.
I am also not sure, but I think if you started recording, I would be getting a message. कुछ ऐसा होता है, I'm not sure, but it's okay. At the end of the day, we will get recording. That's what matters to us,
Yeah, that's what
right?
I
Because
do.
we discuss a lot of thing on recording and kind of stuff. Okay, so anything else? If you have any question or anything else, you can ask me.
Yeah, I want to ask you one question, and that is really very common question, but still, I have seen that sometime, we get puzzled, we get, confused. So here I want to know from your side that what is the right and precise way of learning this language? Because I have seen so many people, they do, so many things, they do lots of stuff in order to get fluency, but
Hmm.
at the end of the day they get stuck, they get
Hmm.
puzzled, and they don't get get the result as they want, and
Yes.
at the end of the day they are unable to get result, and they are unable to get fluency. So what is the precise way of learning this language? How we can learn this language very smoothly?
Hmm. See, it's a very actually beautiful question. And when we, there are so many people, when they start learning this language, they are just, first thing, they become so impatient. They just want to learn this language in no time. Second thing, they try to do so many things. They are watching so many videos. They are listening to so many things. They are having audio calls also, video sessions also. That's a good thing. Okay, it is like, it's not bad to do these activities, but there is a phrase that we should not try to boil the ocean. So boil the ocean means when you become too ambitious and when you try so many things all together. Okay, so don't try to keep yourself busy with so many things. Just set your priorities. Okay, and see, learning
Yeah.
language is not, if it is not a rocket science. Okay, it's not a
Yeah.
piece of cake.
Yes.
If it is not difficult, it is not easy
It
also.
is not easy.
Okay, and
Yeah.
it depends on so many factors, the kind of personality you have. People come to me and they ask me how long it takes to you to learn this language, or for how long have you been in this process of learning this language, and how did you learn this language. See, I tell them that I never learned this language. uh, See, in my case, I was always confident. As a girl, I was blunt, confident. I used to be monitor of my class, so I was good at studies, specifically in English language, right? I was good at English language, speaking English, and a kind of, the thing is, where I lack, it was lack of environment, right?
Mm.
But
Yeah.
again, when you want to be fluent, you need to consider two to three factors. Are you presentable enough? Can you interact in a very confident and natural way? Okay, not in English but in your native language first,
Yeah.
right? I
Yeah. Right.
used to participate in debates, so I have
Yeah.
the quality of expressing
Mhm.
myself. And then
Yeah.
I got a chance. I moved to Mumbai. There uh, I did one diploma, ECC Ed. I got exposure there. Then I worked in a school only for 6 months. But those 6 months were really magical for me, because
On-
I learned so many things. I got to know how to become better day by day, right? So learning a thing is a different scenario, but once you learn certain things and how to implement those things, okay, that is a different scenario. And you as a personality, which type of person you are you an introvert, or you are an extrovert, or an ambivert? Okay, if you are an introvert, of course, you need some time to express yourself. Okay,
Of
because
course, I agree.
communication is all about expressions, expressing
Expression.
yourself, right? So language
Yeah.
comes later. So first try to be expressive enough. You should have creativity here.
You should have
I
creative
ask
mind.
people, yes, I tell them to speak randomly on friendship or family. They are like, ma'am, I'm blank. I don't have any idea. So then they need to think that instead of going for so many vocabulary words or so many idioms, phrases, just try to be creative enough. You should have enough thoughts in your mind, and then how to articulate those thoughts in words. And what can
Yeah.
help you? Self-talking.
Yeah.
That
Self
can
talk.
help
If you
you.
are
Yes.
introvert, then you can start self talk.
Even if you are an extrovert, if you want to be
Yeah.
good at certain language, you need to, because if you, in my case, I don't have anyone to practice with, so that's why I always choose self talking. I
Self
talk to
talk.
myself. And so, sometimes we need to cram something, we need to cram or mug up certain things. Okay,
Yeah. Of
just
course.
learn something, practice that again and again, again and again.
Again. Yeah.
Then you can develop this habit of speaking in a natural way. Second thing, there are so many people who have been practicing for a long time, still they are not fluent. The
Hmm.
major reason is they know that I am making this mistake, or I make this mistake, but they are not working on their mistakes.
They
That's the
don't
problem.
rectify.
Yes. If they are able to know, if they're able to rectify, this area needs more attention, go. Making mistake is not a big deal. Okay, mistakes are universal, but not
Yeah.
repeat. Don't repeat your
Yeah, not
mistake.
to be.
That's what we need
Yeah.
to understand. Okay, there
Yeah.
were so many things which I used to pronounce. There were certain words which I used to pronounce incorrectly, but I worked on those things. And this
Yeah.
is not that I don't make mistake now. I still make, but I don't repeat those very mistakes. I make new mistakes. I work on my mistakes, and this is how you
I
can
learned.
progress.
Yeah, this
That
is
is
how you
the
progress.
secret. So don't invest your energy in doing so many things. Okay,
Yeah.
try to be very specific with your learning and try to maintain that balance. What to learn, where to start from.
Yeah.
So that is it, and try to be expressive enough. That's
Yeah.
what we
And
can
just
improve.
try to find
Hmm.
your, your level.
Yes.
Sometimes we get confused that our
Hmm.
level is basic and we listen intermediate and advanced. So
Yes.
that's how it will
Hmm.
not work.
It will not
Yeah.
work as a beginner if you are trying to use certain advanced level words which are tricky to pronounce. You will end up messing your interaction.
Mhm.
That's it. There are
Yeah.
certain words,
Yeah.
entrepreneur, exaggerate. I heard I hear people they try to use these words in your interaction, but they are not able to pronounce them correctly. So don't
Correct.
use these words. Go for basic
Mhm.
expression.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now go for
Yeah.
simple words. First, try to
Mm.
be comfortable with this language. Then you can
Yeah.
go for idioms or phrases or these kind of words and
Yeah. I
practice.
think
Hmm.
practice every single day. I think what I see, what I realize that to first 3 and 4 months, I think we should use very simple and
Yes.
basic, English.
Hmm.
And after 4 and 5 months, we can switch because I did the same.
Right. Right.
Still, I don't use,
Hmm.
so many fancy words, but if I am able to recall the, fancy word in advance, at that time, I certainly use that word.
Yes.
But I don't try to, I don't pressurize my mind that I have to use this word. No, if it will
Hmm.
come naturally, then I use.
This is a very beautiful point. Just take it easy. Don't be in
Yeah,
that
just
haste
take it
of
easy.
doing so many things all together. It is a
Yeah.
process. It will take time, and don't burden yourself. We should enjoy the
Yeah.
process. We are
We
doing
should
something. We
enjoy.
are upskilling ourselves, right? So don't forget
Yeah.
to pat your back. Just appreciate your efforts. Whatever you are doing, no, appreciate,
Yeah.
and don't be so harsh with you, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes we become very harsh. I'm not able
Very
to do,
hard.
no, I can't do anything in life. So just remove these
Yeah.
things from your life. Be very
Yeah.
specific, be positive with your thought process, and just
Yeah.
choose a healthy lifestyle. This also matters. If you are not in habit of eating healthy, sleeping on time, how would you do something in your life?
Yeah.
You will not be able to focus enough. You will
Yeah.
not be
Because
able
you
to
will not feel,
concentrate.
energetic. You will feel not,
Yes.
you will not feel confident.
Right, that's the thing, no? So you need to adapt certain good habits,
Habit.
inculcate good
Yeah.
habits in your personality, and be humble, be polite, and try to
Be
be joyful.
authentic.
Yes, yes, just
Yeah.
have a conversation with a smile and see. Don't go for tricky topics. What I do with my learners, I tell them mobile phone. This is a phone. Now tell some lines about this phone or
What,
phone. So I show them a pen. What is this?
what
Define
is
this
this?
thing.
Yeah.
What is this? Right. So this is which is your favorite color? Na?
Hmm.
If someone tell red, okay, define red color. Why do you like it? What it
Yeah.
symbolizes. So these are, I guess, icebreakers, and you can use these small topics to become more confident. That's it.
Mm.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
if you are going to pressurize yourself much, you can't.
You are not
You
going
can't
to
do.
get
Yes,
fluency.
yes.
You are not going to get confident.
That is
Yeah.
that is it. Okay. So
Yeah.
yes, finally we did it. We discussed a
Yeah.
topic. We discussed so many things, and now
So
I
many
have
things.
to wrap this session because I need to go for lunch also. And
Okay.
yes, so we will connect again for sure, and I'll be
Yeah.
sharing the recording with
Sure.
you. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for connecting with me. And I really enjoyed
Same here.
this
Same here.
conversation, and also I got to know so many things. So yeah, thank you for connecting me. Thank you so
Uh,
much, ma'am.
Okay, Arshi. Bye bye.
That
Take
will
care.
soon
Yeah, this is part of life. Nothing
fly.
weird.
Yeah.
Okay, then bye
Yeah, yeah.
bye. Take care.
Yeah, ma'am. Bye bye. Take care.